Good day, everyone. We are already in lesson 5, and in this lesson I'm going to discuss to you about the symbols for the sounds of S, F, and V, and some of the shorthand phrases. Okay, so in our past lesson, which is lesson 4, I discussed to you about the special abbreviations called brief forms. And much of the writing speed of shorthand comes from combining these brief forms into a single outline called a phrase. So, kung i-combine po natin itong mga brief forms na ito into a single outline, so makakabuo po tayo ng tinatawag nating phrase. So, pwede po nating i-combine yung mga different brief forms para mas mapabilis ang ating pagsulat ng ating mga outlines, no? So, ang pagko-combine na ito ay tinatawag nating phrases or phrase. Okay, example of phrases, no? So, yung mga phrases po na bubuuin natin ngayon is based doon sa ating brief forms na napag-aralan. So, pagsasama-samahin lang po natin yung mga brief forms na napag-aralan natin before. So, example is yung if I combine the big circle I and will, so this is I will. So, okay? So, before dun sa ating lesson 4, yung ating pong big circle in brief forms, it is I, no? Ang equivalent po niya ay I, and the L, long forward curve, is will or well. So, ang gagamitin po natin dito ngayon ay will. So, this is I will already. Okay? If I combine will and not, so this is will not. Okay? If I combine I, will, and not, so this is I will not. Okay? Saan po yung I? The big circle. Yung will is the L, and the not is the short straight line. Okay? Another. If I combine in and R, so this is in R. Another. If I combine R and N, pwede po siyang R in or R not. Okay? Another example, if I combine I and M, so this is I and M. So, big circle is the I, and yung ating long straight line is the M. Okay? If I combine N and slanting T, so pwede po siyang in it. Okay? In it na po yan. If I combine slanting, short slanting, straight line, and L, so pwede na po siyang it will. Okay? Another. If I combine it, will, and not, so this is it will and not. Short slanting is it, the long forward curve is will, and the short straight line is not. Okay? Another, if I combine I and would, no? So this is I, big circle, and the long slanting is the would, so it is already I would. Okay? Another, if I combine I would and not, so this is I would not. Okay? And if I combine of and R, so this is of R. Okay? So, these are the examples of brief form phrases in which we combine brief forms into a single outlines, kaya nakabuo po tayo ng phrases. So, mas mapapadali po ang ating pagsulat pag pinag-combine natin ang mga brief forms. Okay? So, pwede po nating basahin. So, okay. So, this is I will not, I will not, in are in, are not. So, it depends upon how it is used in the sentence. Another is I am, in it will not, I would not, of are. Okay, so these are the examples of phrases. Okay, ang tawag po natin dyan ay phrase or phrases. Okay, let's proceed to the next symbol. No? In lesson 4, we have the symbol for the sound of S. Okay, the sound of S. Okay, the sound of S is represented by a short downward curve. So, paano yung kama lang yan po yan, no? Short downward curve. So, we pronounce this as S. 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 Okay? So, it is often called comma S because it looks like a comma. Okay? Okay, so repeat after me. Everybody say S. 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 Okay? So, this is what we call the sound of S represented by a short downward curve. So, we call this as comma S. The example, with the words, no, na may sound ng S. If I combine S and A, so it is say. No? Another, if I combine S and E, this is C. Okay? Another, if I combine S-A-M, so this is same. Okay? If I combine S-A-E-M, this is seam. Okay? Another, if I combine S-E-N, so this is seen, or pwede po siyang seen, no? S-C-E-N-E. So, it depends upon how it is used in the sentence. Okay? If I combine S-E-T, so pwede po siyang sit, sit, or set. So, depende pa rin po yan how it is used in the sentence. Okay? Another, if I combine S-I-N, so this is sign. Okay? Sign na po yan. Okay? Another, if I combine S-I-T, so pwede po siyang sight. Pwede rin po siyang sight or sight, no? S-I-T-E or C-I-T-E. So, it depends upon also how it is used in the sentence. Okay? So, as you can see, magkakaparehas po yung parehas po ng outline pero different ang spelling, no? Ang mangyayari, different ang meaning, no? So, it depends na lang po kung paano nyo natin gagamitin yung ang outlines na yan sa sentence, no? Okay? Another, if I combine A and S, this is us. Okay? If I combine H, A, S, this is has. Okay? Another, if I combine S, T, A, this is stay. And if I combine S-O, so this is so. Okay? So, these are the example of words with the sound of S. Okay, let's read all together. Spell out and read. So this is S-A, say, S-E, see, S-A-M, same, S-E-M, seem, S-E-N, seen or seen, S-E-T, seat, seat, set, S-I-N, sign, S-I-T, sight or sight or sight na ganitong spelling. Okay? A-S, as, H-A-S, has, S-T-A, stay, S-O, saw. So this is say, see, same, seem, seen, seat, seat, set, sign, sight, as, has, stay, so. Okay? Okay, let's proceed to the next symbol. Okay, the next symbol is the sound of F, which is represented by a medium size downward curve, no? Medium po. Medium size downward curve, no? So, longer than S, no? Pa-curve din po siya, pero mas mahaba siya sa sound ng S. As you can see, mapapansin po natin dun sa ating letter S, parehas lang po yung kanyang symbol. Ang pagkakaiba lamang po ay yung size. Okay? Pero same lang po din ang symbol. Size lang po ang difference. Okay? Mas mahaba yung F compared sa S. Okay? Example of words with the sound of F. Okay? Example po natin, if I combine F-A-M, so this is fame. Okay? If I combine F and A with the capitalization symbol, this is a name of a person. So we pronounce this or we read this as Faye. Okay? Another, if I combine F and E, so this is Fee. Okay? If I combine F-E-D, so this is feed. Saan po yung F? F, small circle, and D, slanting, that is feed already. If I combine F-E-T, so this is feet. F-E-T, feet. Okay, another, if I combine F-A-S, so this is face. Okay, another, if I combine S-A-F, so this is safe. Okay, another, if I combine S-A-F-S, so this is sapes. Next, if I combine F-A-S-T, so this is fast or face. So, depende pa rin how it is used in the sentence. So, yung fast or face has the same outline. So, depende na po kung paano siya gagamitin sa sentence or kung ano yung gamit niya sa sentence. Okay? Another, if I combine L-A-F, so this is laugh. Okay? Laugh. And if I combine E and F, so this is if. And the last one is F-O-N, so this is phone, no? Because the PH sound like F. Kaya F po ang symbol niyan. Okay, everybody, spell out and read po tayo. Sabayan niyo po ako. So, this is F-A-M, fame, F-A, fame, F-E, fee, F-E-D, feed, F-E-T, feet, F-A-S, face, S-A-F, safe, S-A-F-S, sapes, F-A-S-T, fast or faced, L-A-F, laugh, E-F, if, F-O-N, phone. So these are fame, fay, fee, feed, feet, face, safe, sapes, fast face, laugh, if, phone. So these are the examples of words with the F sound. Okay, as you can see, no, while I'm writing the outline, so we have to observe the line of writing, no? Kasi there are some outlines na titingnan natin saan po nag-start ang pagsulat, kung sa taas o sa baba. Just like yung word na safe, yung ating S ay nasa taas, no? Nasa taas, then pababa, no? Nag-start po tayo ng pagsulat sa upper portion pababa. Okay? Nakaangat po yung S dyan. Okay? So, yun po yung tamang pagsulat. No? Hindi po dapat nasa baba yung S, kundi dapat po siya ay nasa taas. Okay? Next. Okay? Another sound is the sound of V, which is represented by a long downward curve. No? So, ito po yung pinakamahaba o pinakamalaki sa tatlo, no? But it's the same symbol, pinagkaiba nga lang ay yung size. Longer siya compared sa F, no? Okay, example, if I combine V-A-N, so this is vain. Okay? If I combine V-A-S, so this is vase. Already. If I combine V-O-T, so this is vote. Okay? If I combine S-A-V, so this is save. Okay? If I combine S-A-V-D, so this is saved, past tense. Okay? If I combine S-T-E-V-N, so this is name of a person, Steven. If I combine E-V-N, so this is even. Okay? Another, if I combine N-A-V-E with the capitalization symbol, this is navy already. Okay? And the last one, if I combine D-A-V, this is a name of a person, so this is Dave. Okay? So these are the examples of words with the sound of V. Okay? Let's spell out and read all together. So this is V-A-N, vain, V-A-S, vase, V-O-T, vote, S-A-V, save, S-A-V-D, saved, S-T-E-V-N, Steven, E-V-N, even, N-A-V-E, navy, D-A-V, Dave. So, vain, vase, vote, save, saved, Steven, even, navy, Dave. Okay, so these are the examples of words with the sound of V. Okay, so recap lang po ulit tayo, no? Again, for the sound of S, so it is represented by a short downward curve, no? We call that as comma S. And for the sound of F, So it is represented by a medium size downward curve. And for the sound of B, it is represented by a long downward curve. So as you can see, so pare-parehas lang po sila ng symbol. So ang pagkakaiba lamang po ay yung mga size, no? So mas mahaba po ang F kaysa sa S at mas mahaba ang V kaysa sa F at S. Okay? Okay, sulat nga po uli natin sila ng diretso. So we have to write the S, F, V, S, F, V, S, F, V, S, F, V. Okay? So in writing the outlines or in writing the symbols, so you have to free your hand. Okay? So free lang po yung hand nyo dapat, no? Dapat po ay relax, no? It's just like yung parang nagsusulat lamang kayo sa normal writing, no? Yung strokes po ng SFB from galing sa taas pababa, no? Galing sa taas pababa pa curve. Okay? And tip ko lang din po, no? Just keep on practicing, no? By spelling out, then read, then spelling out, then read, no? So para maging familiar tayo sa spelling ng mga shorthand outlines. Okay? So, that's all for today. And I hope you learned a lot from this lesson or from this topic. And see you sa next video. And thank you for watching. Okay?